If you want to transform your Windows Server 2019 core installation from this to this, then stay tuned. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to install the App Compatibility feature on demand on Windows Server 2019 core. So what are features on demand? They are extra features or capabilities that are not included in the Windows image by default, so they need to be added from an external source. This can be done either by using the devm command or by using the devm PowerShell module, which itself uses devm in the backend. Features on demand are actually cab files that can be obtained from Windows Update, from vSUS, or from a FOD repository like the Features on Demand ISO image. There are two types of features on demand. First, features on demand without satellite packages, which basically means it's a FOD that is represented by a single cab file, which includes all language resources in it. These features on demand can be added either with the add capability command or with the add package command. The FODs with satellite packages are formed from different cab files, one main cab file, and also other ones that, for example, may represent different language packs. These have to be installed with the add capability command and only from a special features on demand repository. So let's talk quickly about the app compatibility feature on demand, which will be installed in this video. It has to be installed only on server core. It doesn't work on the Windows server with desktop experience, so don't try it. And it has two main purposes. It increases compatibility of applications that run on server core, and for the ops guys out there, it adds multiple troubleshooting options for us by adding MMC tools and more. So let's see it in action. This is the code that we will use to install the features on demand, and first we will install the actual app compatibility feature. Then I'll show you how to install also the clustering management tool. And at the end, as a bonus, we will add also Internet Explorer. So first of all, let's mount the ISO image that contains the cab packages we need. I'm going to use this machine. And this is the ISO image. Now that we have it mounted, let's install the app compatibility feature on demand. You can use limit access to stop the command from trying to go to Windows Update or vSUS. Let's open PowerShell. And run the command. And as you can see, after the feature is installed, we need to restart the server. And after the restart, check it out. The graphics look a little different. And let me show you a couple of the tools that have been added. We have mmc.exe, through which we can load different snap-ins. So for example, event viewer, or disk management and more. But we can also open the consoles directly. For example, disk management.msc, device manager. We also have Explorer, so you can browse your files. And we have also Performance Manager. Which is nice. Now let's add also the possibility to open the Cluster Manager. To do this, we just need to add the failover clustering feature. And of course, another restart is required. And to open the Cluster Manager, we run clue-admin.msc. And here you go. Now the last thing we will add is the Internet Explorer browser. We can find it also on the ISO image as a separate package. Just press enter. And now if we navigate to where Internet Explorer is installed, we can open it. Check it out. So that was it. We now have a more complete server installation without adding the full desktop experience. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, share and subscribe.